One of my most frequently asked questions as a blonde specialist is, why is my blonde hair turning yellow? And let's face it, it's super frustrating whenever your beautiful blonde hair starts to turn yellow, but there are many things that can play a role in that. When your blonde hair turns yellow, it's typically, either the water you're washing it with, or you're waiting too long in between appointments. It can even be like your styling tools or styling products that you're using. Our hair is mostly exposed to tap water when washing, and because blonde hair tends to be more porous, the metals and minerals in the tap water start to soak into your blonde hair. It absorbs it more. Same thing with your styling tools or styling products. The higher the heat, the more it will tend to pull some of that toner off, or just the buildup from the product on the hot tool can start making your hair turn a yellow tint. Also, waiting in between appointments. I like for my clients to go at least 6 to 8 weeks in between appointments. The more you wash your hair, the quicker your tone's gonna fade. So yes, it is gonna start to turn yellow. But just know that there is a difference between brassy and yellow, and that there are ways that you can fix this issue. Thank you.